Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G14 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we will start, just a quick disclaimer. I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box because you will be transferred to our website where you can not only find the codes I will use today and show you today, but also many other useful tutorials connected with this device. Alright, so let's first of all enter the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with, I believe, the most interesting code, which is *pound 2486 pound *. And it's up to you what you want to tap here. However, you have to give all of the permissions your device needs. So simply allow everything. And this section will allow you to actually test your device, so check whether everything works perfectly fine. So, for example, you can enter the auto cycle, you've got model assembly mode, you've got menu mode, sequence mode, MMI test, and you can basically exit the app. So let me enter this menu mode, and as you can see, you've got a lot of components which are from your device basically. So for example, the camera, display, sensor, touch screen, etc. And you can basically check if it works fine. So let me maybe start with the display. After tapping on it, we can pick the display test patterns. And as you can see, we've got some colors. So let me pick maybe grayscale. And as you can see, okay, got it. And as you can see, your device will display a gradient from black to white. And basically, if you can see it all across the screen without any missing spots or any kind of problems, it means that the display works fine. Let me go back and let me pick maybe white with black border. And the same situation, if you can see this black border, of course, it is not really visible because of the black frame of the screen. However, trust me, we've got the black border here. If you can see it, then it works. Let me show you another test. For example, for the touch screen, simply tap on this option and you can pick between two different tests. Let me pick diagonal. Basically, all we have to do right now is to touch this white ball and drag it across the screen. So we have to follow this yellow line, and basically if everything works perfectly fine, your device catches your touches, you will see that that everything is okay and the touch screen works. Of course, here you've got another option, so again you have to follow this yellow line and basically do the same motion everywhere, so check whether those areas are working and your device respond to your touches. So I highly recommend to stay here and basically have fun with your device, so at the same time you can check if it works. Alright, another code which I would like to show you is not really that complicated. It is much shorter and it will open the IMEI information about the device. The code is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one. It is *pound 07 pound. And thanks to this code, we can open the regulatory labels, so we can check the exact model. We can also check the head and the body of our device. Let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *pound 225 pound *. And for some reason, I do not have the calendar. I know why, because I do not have my Google account added in this device. However, no worries. Basically, here you will have all of the events listed. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So basically, this is the best section to check the events because here they are grouped into particular categories. Let's go back and let me show you another code. I hope it will work, even though I do not have my Google account added. It is *pound 426 pound *. Okay, it works. So here we've got the diagnostics. You can check some technical information here. So the server, host, port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can also show advanced view. Just tap on it and then come back to the kind of status. After tapping on it, you can check more information, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HV algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code in this video. It is *pound *pound 4636 #***. And here we've got the testing mode, so you can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let me start with the phone information. After entering this section, you can check, again, technical information, just like the IMEI number, car network, data service, or voice service. You can run ping test right here and tap on the 3-dot icon, where you've got more options like enabling the data connection, or you can view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back and let me check usage statistics, and basically here we should have, I have no idea why we do not have it here, but we should have the list of apps and the processes which are kind of currently on this device ongoing, and basically you can sort them by usage time in the app name last time used, so you can check how much time you are spending on particular app. And here we've got also the Wi-Fi information. You can check the API configuration and the status. So let me check the status, and we can refresh the stats, and basically we've got the information just like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.